Testing, testing. This is gonna be like a really short stream. I did art stream a couple days ago, and nothing was working. And I was like coloring the background black, and then later on I realized like how crazy it looked to sit there and like color the background of a piece of paper black. So I'm just gonna like ignore that video. And I may have said a couple things that kind of shocked me that I shouldn't have said. So like every few videos might not be saved, but this video is gonna be like really short. I'm just gonna like go on from where I ended up last time. I'm gonna put like my pet squirrel died in the Twitch description, and there's like no relation between my pet squirrel dying and me streaming. Like, doesn't even affect me. I was just putting that in there as like, hey, my pet squirrel died! Exclamation point. But I can't like put that on there because it'd be kind of weird. But like, she's been dying for a while, so like, totally saw it coming. Just old age, you know. She'd like be all like hunched up, and then I like wake her up because she didn't get up in the last couple months. She'd just be sleeping a lot, and then like massage her arms and stuff, and like keep her alive. And then one morning she's just not alive, you know, dead. But she died a happy squirrel. Her last meal was like a strawberry with whipped cream on top, but she couldn't eat the strawberry, so like she's been like eating whipped cream for the last couple months. And she like crawled up into a coconut, and then died there, but a happy death. Squirrels don't normally live to 16 years old, so I think she was happy, so I don't know. But this will be a really short stream. A really short stream. I should probably like, I'll just let the timer go. Be in for an extremely, really short stream. Yeah, I'll be back in a second. doesn't this Twitch website work? I changed it in the stream manager before it started to art, and right now it is streaming as programming. This makes no sense. Testing, testing. Up on the top left, whatever, it shows that it's streaming in the code category. Then below it, it shows pink icon, whatever. And it says art. So I set it to the art category, and this thing is freaking streaming in the programming category. It's great. Just don't give a crap. This is gonna be a short stream, so whatever. Like, yeah, okay. The mic keeps like freaking whatever. So this drawing it's not done until it looks like a photo. So it doesn't look like a photo yet. So it's clearly not done. But this is a short stream. I'm not gonna turn the other camera. It's like unplugged. It's a short stream, so yeah. Let's like zoom the camera in. So I'm like working on this area. I got like, yeah, I'm not gonna explain anything. And then it's shiny, so you can like see reflection. It's like totally saturated. I gotta go through after and do the last black layer or whatever. But yeah, that's about it. Once I get all outside done, whatever, I might be able to do like a bunch of like mini streams and then draw, because I'm not gonna be doing really boring stuff like coloring the background black. So since this is a short stream, I'll get this pencil here. It's a black ebony pencil. I'm gonna just do a little bit of. I could like explain what I'm doing here, but I'm not, because this is a short stream. So just like, all right, that's like enough for this stream. So that's where I'm at, and I guess I'm done now. Like in the stream, because it's a short stream, it's not even the right category. The amount of time it'll take me to click that to like fix it. It's I'm done. All right, peace. I gotta like hit the button. Oh, this isn't working. Oh, I'm at like 85 something hours. When I get to like I don't know. It might be quicker than 160 hours. It depends. I gotta like add a bunch of made up detail, because this photo is really blurry. It's from a phone. And there's like artifacts from like the phone. Like I tried to get it in the tongue, whatever. The teeth are like, I don't even know if the phone's gonna pick it up. Camera that's recording. There's like these like duplicate some with the new phones, like artifacts from double cameras. I have no idea. So I tried to like get that here, and then I don't know. Once you like find details, I don't know. This is a short stream. I think the mouse is working, and it's not even. Yeah, that's what it is. Okay, so the teeth here. It looks like there's a little bit of artifacts, so I tried to get that here. And I'm tired of explaining everything again. Yeah, I thought it was on, but it wasn't. And now I'm done with the stream. When it looks like a photo, it's done. And then I gotta like add a bunch of made up detail, because you can't see any detail in this photo from the internet on Instagram. Okay, now I'm like actually done. Unless this mouse still isn't working. No, it's working. It's cool. Okay, so now this stream is a little bit longer. All right, peace.